Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing defense comparisons in the world of modern military technology, China's HQ-9B versus Russia's S-500 Prometey. These two advanced surface-to-air missile systems represent the pinnacle of air defense technologies from two of the world's leading military powers. But the burning question is, can China's HQ-9B really match the sheer capability and technological edge of Russia's S-500? Let's find out. We begin by examining the exterior and physical configuration of these missile systems. The HQ-9B, an upgraded version of the original HQ-9, carries a strong visual resemblance to the Russian S-300 and S-400 systems, which is not surprising given China's history of integrating foreign design elements. Mounted on a transporter erector launcher, TEL, typically an 8x8 wheeled chassis, the HQ-9B is mobile, rugged, and designed for quick deployment. The system includes a phased array radar, command vehicle, launchers, and missile transporters. It's built with a clean, utilitarian design focused on functionality rather than aesthetics. In comparison, Russia's S-500 takes a more futuristic and modular approach. Its design is split into multiple components: the 77P6 TEL for missile launch, the 91N6A-M acquisition radar, and the 96L6 TSP target tracking radar. The chassis used is often the BAZ or MZKT all-terrain vehicle, optimized for high mobility and cross-country travel. The S-500's TELs are visibly larger than those of the HQ-9B, accommodating its longer-range missiles. The external design of the S-500 reflects its advanced, multi-layered interception capability, making it one of the most complex and heavily shielded air defense systems currently operational. Inside the command and control elements, both systems are designed for rapid data processing and battlefield integration. The HQ-9B features an improved fire control system and automated command vehicles capable of simultaneous multi-target engagement. However, the interior design is relatively simple, optimized for functional military use with essential systems and limited ergonomics. Operators have access to radar displays, communication consoles, and missile guidance systems, but comfort is secondary to utility. The S-500's interior is a different story. While still military-grade, it's noticeably more modernized. Russia has integrated more advanced software and radar networking, including AI-assisted target recognition. Control cabins have touchscreen interfaces, real-time satellite link-ups, and high-speed encrypted communication systems. It is designed to operate not just on local command, but also within Russia's larger integrated air defense network. While neither system is luxurious on the inside, the S-500 is more technologically forward in terms of operational environment. Now let's discuss performance, the heart of any defense system. The HQ-9B is designed to intercept aircraft, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles. It has a maximum range of approximately 250 to 300 kilometers for aerodynamic targets and around 25 kilometers for ballistic missiles. It can engage up to 6 targets simultaneously with 12 missiles in flight, guided via a combination of semi-active radar homing and active radar guidance. Its radar system, reportedly an upgraded Type 120 low-band phased array radar, provides decent coverage and tracking accuracy. However, the S-500 is in a class of its own. Built as a next-generation system, it can intercept not only aircraft and ballistic missiles but also hypersonic glide vehicles, low-orbit satellites, and potentially even spacecraft. Its stated interception range exceeds 600 kilometers for aerodynamic targets and 500 kilometers for ballistic threats. It can engage up to 10 targets simultaneously and track up to 100, thanks to its highly advanced radar network including the 91N6A-M, 76T6, and 77T6 radars. Its 40N6 and newer 77N6N/N1 missiles are capable of exoatmospheric interceptions, something the HQ-9B simply cannot do. On the topic of safety features, both systems offer robust electronic countermeasures, ECCM. The HQ-9B includes anti-jamming technology and encrypted data links to reduce vulnerability to electronic warfare. It also features redundancy in radar and command systems to ensure it can continue operating even under partial system failure or enemy interference. However, it lacks the spaceborne and wide-area integration that Russia has embedded into the S-500's architecture. The S-500 is built with layered safety and survivability in mind. Its modular architecture allows components to be dispersed over large areas, making it difficult for enemies to neutralize the system with a single strike. The system includes passive detection modes, radar decoys, and even potential laser hardening for radar protection. With automated failsafes, backup command chains, and encrypted data transmission directly from Russia's military satellite constellation, the S-500 stands at the peak of survivable air defense in electronic and kinetic warfare environments. One of the most interesting parts of this comparison is the unique selling points each system brings to the table. The HQ-9B's primary strength is cost-effectiveness. It is relatively cheaper to produce, export, and deploy. Several nations including Pakistan, Turkmenistan, and Algeria have shown interest in this system due to its adequate performance at a lower cost. Its integration with existing Chinese radar and command networks makes it a sensible choice for allies of Beijing who want capable air defense without the premium price tag. Another selling point is that the HQ-9B is part of a broader family. It can be integrated with the HQ-22, HQ-16, and even the FT-2000 for a multi-layered air defense setup. Its logistical and maintenance simplicity is another edge in regions where support systems are limited. China's ability to mass-produce and rapidly deploy these systems gives it a scalable advantage in regional theaters. Meanwhile, the S-500's selling point is simple technological superiority. It is the only operational system today that claims the ability to engage hypersonic missiles and low-orbit satellites. Its precision-guided missiles have advanced maneuvering capabilities, making them extremely difficult to counter. The radar and tracking system of the S-500 is perhaps the most advanced in the world, offering not just range but also speed and target differentiation at a level not yet matched. Another major selling point is its future readiness. The S-500 isn't just an air defense system, it's a stepping stone toward integrated aerospace defense. Russia envisions the S-500 playing a key role in defending against threats from outer space, giving it a strategic significance far beyond battlefield utility. Now, when it comes to price, the HQ-9B is far more accessible. While exact figures are classified, defense analysts estimate the per-unit cost of a HQ-9B battery to be around $150 to $200 million. This includes launchers, radars, command vehicles, and support infrastructure. Its affordability, especially in comparison to Western systems like the Patriot or THAAD, makes it a very attractive proposition for countries with mid-sized defense budgets. In contrast, the S-500 is among the most expensive air defense systems in the world. A full S-500 battalion can cost upwards of $500 million, potentially more depending on the configuration. The technology embedded in the system, from radars to the highly advanced missiles, contributes to its price tag. Moreover, its production is limited and reserved primarily for Russian use, with only a handful of close allies potentially eligible for future export. So, what's the final verdict? Can China's HQ-9B match Russia's S-500? The short answer is, not really. While the HQ-9B is a highly capable and modern SAM system, especially in regional conflicts and against conventional aerial threats, it falls short in almost every key metric when compared to the S-500. From range and target variety to radar capabilities and future potential, the S-500 simply plays in a higher league. It is built not just for today's battlefield but for the threats of tomorrow: hypersonic weapons, stealth aircraft, and even orbital attacks. That said, the HQ-9B is still a powerful tool in China's defense strategy. It offers reliable performance, interoperability with other Chinese systems, and the ability to saturate large areas with cost-effective air defense. In scenarios where budget constraints or alliance obligations matter more than cutting-edge capability, the HQ-9B becomes a highly logical choice. In the end, the HQ-9B and the S-500 are not exactly direct competitors. They're tools shaped by the strategic philosophies of two different superpowers, one focused on mass deployment and cost efficiency, the other on technological supremacy and future warfare readiness. Each excels in its own arena, but when it comes to pure capability, the S-500 stands unchallenged at the top of the missile defense hierarchy. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of advanced missile systems, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more cutting-edge military tech reviews.